everyone. In this video, I will guide you how to play Flight Simulator on Google Earth. So I will guide you step by step. Here you can see the first one, launch Google Earth on your computer. The second one is in a window, press Ctrl plus Alt plus A. For Mac, press Command plus Option plus A. Alternatively, go to the Tools menu and select Enter Flight Simulator. Step 3 is choose your aircraft. Select either SR-22 or F-16. The step 4 is select a starting location. Choose to start from your current location or pick an airport from the list. The fifth one is keyboard controls. Arrow keys, page up or down and roll left or right. Page up or down, throttle speed. G toggle landing gear, spacebar, pause or resume. Mouse, move to look around. Joystick, optional for better control. The step 6 is takeoff. Increase throttle, page up and gently pull up to lift off. The seventh one is fly and explore. Use the controls to navigate and explore the world. The step 8 is lost and optional step. Reduce throttle, lower altitude and deploy landing gear to land on runway. Enjoy your flight. Thank you.